Welcome back to Yardi Legal Reasonings. I'm Nadine Atkinson Flowers, and I'm a Jamaican attorney and also a U.S. attorney, hoping that these tips, you find them helpful and useful. Comment, share, like, subscribe. Let us know if you think there's something else that we should be talking about, and we'll be happy to do it. A lot of times when persons submit their documents to USCIS, they are rejected. And one main reason for the rejection is that the documents were not submitted to the correct address. That is something that can be avoided, and I'm just going to give you a tip or maybe two today on how to ensure that you submit your documents to the correct address. The address that your document should be submitted to will of course depend on what benefit you're seeking for yourself or for your family members, or if it's employment based, study based, there are different addresses. Key thing then is to check the USCIS website to see where the application should be submitted, and it's set out in such a way that you can know based on your personal issues where you're supposed to be sending your application. Let's say, for example, you are naturalizing, meaning you're becoming a US citizen. You have been here in the States for the required number of years, and you have now decided that you're going to become a citizen. It's important to check the site because it will tell you if you are going to be naturalizing in state A, you have to have lived in that state for at least excuse me, a particular period of time. And so you check the website to see what the particular period of time is. It doesn't usually change, and then you will know the particular address that you're supposed to be sending your documents to. Let's say you are petitioning for family members and you live in state B. There are several lists on the website that will tell you where those documents are to be submitted because you live in state B. Let's say you live in state C and you are applying to have your conditions removed, meaning you got married to a US citizen and now you have come to the period of time, 1 year, 9 months minimum, and you are seeking to have the conditions removed from the green card. You check the site, locate state C, and check the column to see exactly where you should be filing your documents. This is very important because if you miss timelines that are set out for certain applications, you may have a serious issue, particularly with removal of conditions. There's a time frame within which you need to file your application. Asylum is another benefit that is very time sensitive, and if you miss the deadline, you may have an issue, and you certainly run the chance of missing your deadline if you are submitting and it's rejected and you have to send it again. So be very, very careful with that. Like, share, subscribe, leave us a comment, and tell us if there are other topics that you'd want us to send out information about.